Here we have a new security device. It's called infrared or somewhere like a laser. Let's check this out. Okay, so it's an infrared sensors. So it has a range of 20 meters, powered by a 12 volts to 24 volts. So it has two devices. Two sets of device, some screws, and for waterproofing. So the two device. This is the sender, like this. So we have the transmitter and then the receiver. So this is the transmitter and this is the receiver. So what it does, it emits beam, then this one picks up the beam. If it is interrupted, it will alarm, or you can turn on any gadget. Okay, let's find out inside. Okay, so this is the supply terminal, 12 volts to 24 volts, and this is the infrared. So this is the one sending the beam. This is the receiver or the host. And this one is picking up the infrared. This is the relay to turn on and off a device or gadget when it is interrupted. So we have the supply, power supply, positive and negative, and also the relay switch. So usually it's set at normally open, but you can set also at normally closed. So this relay is this one, and this is the two terminals. So it's just trip for power on and off when it is disconnected. Okay, so let's try to assemble, then supply this with power, and also the transmitter will send the beam. So you can use this for security in your doors, homes, and also on your garage. So you can use this for automatic doors. So let's try to set this up. Okay, to set up, we use two wire, one short one and one longer one. The transmitter will be this transmitter and then this one for the receiver. So just so it's going down button. Then for testing, we use incredibles, LED, with this so that's the set up. Okay, so here's the completed setup. So we have here the transmitter powered by a 12 volts. So I modify and put some focus to focus the beam, and these are the IR. So I added more so we can only focus the beam, because this is good for 20 meters. So our test area is, or test distance is just 1 foot or less. Okay. So the IR will be focused, and this is the receiver, and this is the load or test. So this will light when this is trigger.